Hey everyone, it's Ren here with Perfect Aire. Today I'm going to be talking to you all about our warm mist humidifier. With a tank capacity of 1 gallon of water, it can run up to 24 hours at a time, which is amazing. This humidifier is ideal for medium to large size rooms such as living rooms, bedrooms, children's rooms, and more. Warm mist humidifiers are so great for medicinal purposes such as alleviating allergy, cold, and even virus symptoms. The warm mist humidifier comes with a vapor diffuser right here, where you can add your favorite liquid inhalants, oils, or aromatics, just like this one. You add it to the medicine cup and the humidifier is going to release medicated steam to reduce any congestion, sinus-related health issues, and to just clear your nasal passage for overall amazing relief. This unit also comes with a night light. To turn it on, just press the button on the left-hand side of the tank and the blue light on the bottom of the tank will illuminate. This light makes it such a great option to keep this humidifier in your bedroom for a good night's sleep. This humidifier also has adjustable humidity controls that are super easy to use. You can set your humidifier output control to high or to low. And this feature is perfect for controlling the air quality completely based on your comfort and preference. And it also has a waterless indicator, so the refill light will actually turn red to let you know that your unit needs to be refilled with water. That's super convenient. This humidifier is also super easy to set up, you guys. Just fill the tank with water, secure it back onto the base, and now you're ready to enjoy some refreshing air. If you want to make sure you clean your unit out weekly, I recommend using a mixture of water and vinegar. And a bonus about this unit is that many of the parts are actually dishwasher safe. So the medicine cup, the removable tray, and the mist chimney are all top rack dishwasher safe on light duty, on normal cycle without using detergents. And whenever you're using this humidifier, make sure you keep it on a flat, steady, water-resistant surface. Now you can breathe easier with better air quality in your space with the Warm Mist Humidifier. You can find this product at major online retailers like Amazon and Wayfair. And to learn more about this product and other great products, visit us at perfectaire.us. I'm Ren, thank you so much for watching.